everyone, Assalamualaikum. Okay, do you know what is green building? Green building, which is also known as green construction or sustainable building, refers to both structure and the using of processes that are environmentally responsible and resource efficient throughout a building's life cycle. For example, from siting to design, construction, operation, maintenance, renovation, and demolition. In other words, green building design involves finding the balance between home building and the sustainable environment. This requires close cooperation of the design team, the architects, the engineers, and the client. At all project stages, the green building practice expands and complements the classical building design concepts of economy, utility, durability, and comfort. Green building is a holistic concept that starts with the understanding that the built environment as well as the people who inhabit buildings every day. Green building is an effort to amplify the positive and mitigate the negative of these effects through the entire life cycle of the building.
The growth and development of our community has largely impacted on our natural environment. The manufacturing, design, construction, and operation of buildings in which we live on and work are responsible of the consumption of many of our natural resources. Therefore, every building should be integrated with the application of green building to ensure that the building that we live on will have the lesser impact on our natural resources. Environment.
First, we'll be looking at the rooftop PV system. It can be installed on rooftop to convert solar energy into direct current electricity using semiconducting materials. It can also support about 25% of building electricity. Next is the bamboo snapping deck tiles. It is environmentally friendly and durable, have aesthetic values, faster in productions compared to timber floors. And lastly, green living wall. Reduces energy needed for heating, cooling through shadings and evapotranspiration, and remove pollutants and carbon dioxide from the air. And it also helps to beautify your surrounding and long-lasting.
Do you know how many constructions in Malaysia are using the concepts of green building? Actually, there are a bunch of construction in Malaysia apply this concept. First of all, I will categorize few constructions into few categories. Non-residence new constructions, non-residence existing building, residence new constructions, and township. For all the category, I will list about 3 projects. For the non-residence new constructions, they are Setia City Mall, Aman Jaya Specialist Center Green Hospital, and Menara Felda. While the non-residence existing building, they are Kuala Lumpur Twin Tower, Bangunan Perdana Putra, and Bangunan Yayasan Melaka. Residence new constructions, they are the Trees at Bukit Jalil, Ken River Legend Residence, and the Enclave Bangsang. For the townships, they are Sunway Resort City, Bandar Rimbayu, and Tun Razak Exchange.
The benefits of green building can be categorized into environmental, economic, and social. For environmental, they are emission reduction, water conservation, and stormwater management. While for the economic, energy and water savings, increased property value, decreased infrastructure strain, improved employee attendance. And lastly, for the social, it increased the improvement of health and improved schools.
Green architecture has several characteristics that make it unique. It has features such as water saving, specially designed ventilation system for cooling and heating, non-toxic and non-synthetic materials, cycle and reuse of all the buildings. Proper drainage facility prevent water from blocking and also prevent surface runoff. Space that is left over should be efficiently used. Green trees and plants can be planted so that fresh oxygen is available. Solar energy should also be harnessed. With the help of green architecture, electricity consumption is reduced and natural resources are instead being used. Natural and eco-friendly materials such as bamboo and wood should be used. Steel, aluminium should be avoided as it has many bad effects on the environment as well as on people's health. Rooms should be free from any construction so that air can flow freely through the rooms.